Let's start with a memory. Think about your mom packing snacks, medicine, and clothes for you because you left for college. Or your dad going to the local market with a very strong cloth bag hanging from a shoulder. That bag, made of cotton or khadi, is called a jhola. In India, this jhola is part of daily lives. It is simple, strong, and reusable. You get it for free with groceries also, or you can buy it for just 30 to 50 rupees at a local store. Almost every Indian home has at least a few of them lying around. But now something very surprising has happened. An American luxury store called Nordstrom is selling these same cholas for $48, which is about 4,100 rupees. Yes, the same jhola that most people in India use for carrying vegetables or snacks is now being sold as a fashion item in the US. This version of the jhola is made by a Japanese company called Pupco, and they have renamed it the Indian souvenir bag. Well, this company described the bag as stylish, perfect for carrying essential, and says that it is great for people who love Indian culture. The design of the bag includes bold Hindi writing with names like Ramesh Special Namkeen and Chetak Sweets. These are typical names seen on bags used by local Indian shops. Now, for Indians, this is both funny and emotional. Many people are shocked and confused. How can something so common and cheap in India become a luxury item abroad? A video about this went viral on Instagram by a user who jokingly said that the next they will sell spiced and crisp snacks and act like it's something special, but really it's just Haldirams. After the video went viral, one person wrote, "My Indian heart is crying. 4,100 for this." Another one said that I have 10 of these jholas at home. Should I start selling them too? Somebody else joked, soon they'll sell lungis and call them Scottish fashion. Well, the story becomes big news because it raises many important questions. First, for Indians, the jhola is not just a bag. It carries emotion, memories, and cultural identities. But for foreign brands, it is a fashion statement. Well, you let us know your views on this and follow TimesXP for more such updates.